Hello everyone, this is Simon from HOA Simplified, and I'm here to give you a guide to legal compliance. Over the next few minutes, I'll show how we keep small communities, keeping compliant with California law, reduce legal risk, and protect the board. Here's the difficulty that many small HOAs face. There are no regulatory agencies for HOA legal compliance. The management companies don't provide good support and services just because they're small. That's why filings get missed, new regulations slip by, and insurance gaps appear, creating real exposure for the board members and the owners. Compliance starts with the Davis-Stirling Act, your governing documents of your association, and nonprofit mutual benefit corporate law, plus local ordinances and federal state fair housing laws. We make sure that your HOA is aligned with all of these, not just one piece. Here are some of the legal requirements for HOA compliance. Each year, HOA needs to deliver a complete budget report and policy statement, provide year-end financials, and have the board review monthly financials. And the monthly financials include bank statements, reconciliations, budget to actuals, and AR. Here at HOA Simplified, we make sure your board receives monthly financials from us. Also, you need a reserve study every 3 years for your community, with annual updates and, if applicable, periodic inspections of elevated structures like balconies. We track these dates and keep your board ahead of deadlines. We also confirm your CC&Rs, bylaws, and rules line up with Davis-Stirling Act and that owner record access timelines are being met, so that escrow disclosures and member requests are handled correctly each time. Here are some more HOA compliance lists. We make sure that you're operating your HOA properly and ensure that meetings are compliant as well. We also keep your corporate status current with a SOS, filing the correct federal and state returns, and verify liability, D&O, and fidelity coverage so that the board members and owners stay protected at all times. Here are some frequent non-compliance that small HOAs sometimes miss. For example, the annual budget report, annual policy statement, fidelity bond coverage, and statement of information is some of the compliant issues that small HOAs face. Our team here at HOA Simplified will guide your community through our proven services to mitigate legal risks. By providing online portal and having strong partnerships and providing good board education, we make sure that your HOA isn't compliant. For self-managed or newly transitioned communities, we can provide a full checkup service. From corporate status and SOS filings, governing document review, EIN and name reservations, to FTB IRS filings and exemptions, we make sure that your HOA is fully compliant with the federal and state law. By keeping your HOA compliant, we protect your property values, keep the association in good standing, and finally, reduce the risk of special assessments, emergency loans, disputes, and any of the lawsuits. We want to help your community thrive and be successful. Thank you so much.